Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of mulberries. These tiny berries aren't just bursting with flavor, they're also packed with a myriad of health benefits that might just make them your new favorite snack. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to uncover the incredible health advantages that come with incorporating mulberries into your diet. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. From supporting heart health to boosting your immune system, mulberries are a nutritional powerhouse. Stick around as we break down the science and showcase why these berries deserve a prime spot in your daily routine. Firstly, let's talk about a topic close to all of our hearts, literally, heart health. Mulberries, with their unique blend of nutrients, can be a delicious addition to your diet that supports cardiovascular well-being. They are a rich source of antioxidants, especially resveratrol. This powerful compound has been linked to several heart protective benefits. Antioxidants, like those found in mulberries, play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals that can damage cells, including those in the blood vessels and heart. Studies suggest that regularly consuming mulberries may help in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. The presence of potassium in mulberries is thought to contribute to this effect. Potassium is known for its vasodilator properties, helping to relax blood vessels, which in turn can lead to improved blood flow and reduce strain on the cardiovascular system. But that's not all. Mulberries may also positively influence cholesterol levels. Some research indicates that compounds in mulberries can contribute to lowering LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol in the blood. By keeping these levels in check, mulberries may play a role in reducing the risk of heart disease and promoting overall heart health. So if you're looking for a tasty way to show your heart some love, consider adding mulberries to your diet. Some studies suggest that mulberries may help regulate blood sugar levels. Compounds like anthocyanins and resveratrol may have anti-diabetic effects, potentially improving insulin sensitivity. Now, let's shift our focus to a vital aspect of our well-being, digestive health. Mulberries, those sweet and nutritious gems, come with a range of benefits that can give your digestive system a boost. First up, mulberries are loaded with dietary fiber, a crucial component for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Fiber is your digestive system's best friend. It adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. By including mulberries in your diet, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also providing your gut with the tools it needs to function smoothly. The fiber in mulberries acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the good bacteria in your gut. A happy gut microbiome is associated with a range of health benefits, including improved digestion and a stronger immune system. Mulberries might be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to supporting the complex ecosystem within your digestive system. Some studies even suggest that the antioxidants in mulberries may have anti-inflammatory effects, which can further contribute to a healthy digestive environment. What's more, these tiny berries not only tantalize your taste buds, but also offer fantastic support to your immune system. One of the key players in this immune-boosting symphony is vitamin C, and guess what? Mulberries are rich in it. Vitamin C is a superhero nutrient that enhances the production of white blood cells, the soldiers of our immune system. These cells play a crucial role in defending our body against infections and illnesses. By incorporating mulberries into your diet, you're providing your immune system with the ammunition it needs to stay strong and resilient. But that's not all. Mulberries are also packed with antioxidants, including resveratrol and anthocyanins. These compounds contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. An immune system working in an environment of lower inflammation is better equipped to fend off potential threats and keep you feeling your best. So whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in a smoothie, mulberries can be a tasty addition to your immune-boosting arsenal. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Our journey through the incredible benefits of mulberries takes a turn towards a vital aspect of our well-being, eye health. Those delightful mulberries are a feast for your eyes as well. Mulberries are a rich source of key nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining and promoting eye health. First up, vitamin A. Mulberries are packed with this essential nutrient, which is known to support vision and prevent age-related macular degeneration. a common cause of vision loss. The deep, rich color of mulberries comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that are believed to have protective effects on the retina, helping to preserve your eyesight as you age. Regular consumption of mulberries may contribute to better night vision, sharper focus, and an overall lower risk of eye-related issues. If you're looking for a sweet and nutritious way to care for your peepers, consider incorporating mulberries into your diet. Now let's talk about a topic that's on the minds of many: weight management. If you're looking for a delicious snack that aligns with your wellness goals, mulberries might just be the answer. Mulberries are not only bursting with flavor, but they also come with a nutritional profile that can support your weight management journey. One of the key players in this game is fiber. Mulberries are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, and here's why that matters. Fiber adds bulk to your meals, promoting a feeling of fullness. This can be particularly helpful if you're trying to control your appetite and manage your overall calorie intake. By including mulberries in your diet, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're also giving your body a nutrient-rich snack that can keep you feeling satisfied for longer periods. The slower digestion of fiber can contribute to a steadier release of energy, helping you avoid energy crashes and those tempting less-than-healthy snacks. Remember, weight management is a holistic journey. Pairing the nutritional benefits of mulberries with a balanced diet and regular exercise can be a winning combination. Lastly, let's explore another incredible aspect of mulberries: their anti-inflammatory effects. In the world of wellness, combating inflammation is key, and mulberries can be a tasty ally in this journey. Mulberries contain a powerhouse of antioxidants, including resveratrol and anthocyanins, which have been associated with reducing inflammation in the body. These antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, the culprits behind oxidative stress and inflammation. So enjoying mulberries regularly may contribute to creating a more balanced and inflammation-resistant internal environment. Inflammation is a natural response by our bodies to various factors, but chronic inflammation has been linked to a range of health issues, from heart disease to arthritis. Mulberries, with their anti-inflammatory properties, may play a role in mitigating these risks. For those dealing with inflammatory conditions, the compounds in mulberries may offer relief. While more research is needed, the early findings are promising. So whether you're proactively focusing on prevention or managing inflammation, mulberries could be a delightful addition to your anti-inflammatory toolkit. And there you have it, folks. The incredible world of mulberries and their multitude of health benefits. From supporting heart health to boosting your immune system, these little berries are truly a gift from nature. Whether you savor them fresh, sprinkle them on your yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie, the versatility of mulberries makes it easy to incorporate their goodness into your daily routine. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of mulberries. Remember, when it comes to your well-being, every small mindful choice can make a significant impact. So why not let mulberries be a delightful part of your journey towards a healthier you? Let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy mulberries, or if you have any questions. Stay healthy, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.